Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Skyroot chest and grow a garden new update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, you will be able to get Skyroot chest and you will unlock special reward from the chest. And to get the Skyroot chest, you can grow the beanstalk and teleport to the top. Okay, or you can climb the beanstalk if you haven't unlocked the portal, and then here you can talk to the giant and click on what are you selling. Okay, and then here you will see main shop and also the friendship shop, and here you can buy the Skyroot chest, and if I'm not mistaken it cost 1,500,000 shekels. You can buy it from here, or you can go to this area and then you can craft the Skyroot chest. Okay, you can use all these items to craft the Skyroot chest. You need 2 beanstalks and then a sprout seed pack and sprout egg and then also shackles. Okay, and I'm going to show you my Skyroot chest and I'm going to open it. I'm going to open one of my chests. Okay, let's click anywhere to open the Skyroot chest. And yeah, not bad. I got crown of thorns. And these are the items that you will get from the Skyroot chest. Okay, all these items, guys. Yeah, that's so crazy. And let's open it one more chest and let's see what we'll get. Again, crown of the thorns. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.